I will not put the name on with the marker. Yeah. So and you need to take care of that, and let's not use any more plastic cups. And when you go out, walking around, make sure you get a water bottle as well, so you can keep yourself hydrated. Yeah. And also, just to mention, I mean, I'm sure you know about the foundation path.
You have to develop a project, right? That doesn't mean you've got the money. Alright? From development, once you develop the project, and by so you will be a bit higher, but not at the same height as this. You know, you can even higher at the same height. But you know, just plan a little bit. And then when it's the same height, you get.
That's what I'm trying. For those of you that did not really hear about Frank Lloyd, maybe you recognize some of these projects. This is Frank Lloyd Wright's two of famous projects: the Falling Water House and the Guggenheim, yeah, in New York. So let's feel what he was looking like young Churchill. And he doesn't smoke cigars anymore. And that's his project. That's Phil's project. This is called, remember we talked at the beginning about bioscape too? And zebras, rattlesnakes. Right. No, we didn't. And these things here are the intensive agriculture biome, and this is the south one, and then over here was the west one. Okay, that's how it goes.